Hello and welcome back to the channel and welcome to another edition of the weekly washdown, where this week we're going to be detailing my 2023 M3 competition. This is a bit of a daily driver for us and it's the workhorse of the fleet. It has dogs in the back, kids in it from time to time, and it even does the occasional trip out into Europe, and that is why it's in its current state. We've just come back from the Nürburgring, probably why those wheels look so hanging, and it's covered in all kinds of road grime and dirt. And what I'm going to go through today is my routine when it comes to cleaning the daily and give you some tips and tricks that I use to efficiently clean this car and keep it looking good time after time. Let's get into it. Here's a little trick that I like to do when I'm washing my own car. I like to take my citrus power, put it on the grubbier areas down the bottom, on the front where there's flies, anything like that, then lay my snow foam over the top. What this does is like a power booster for those dirtier areas. Let's Avalanche do its thing, rinse it all down in one, two birds, one stone, and the job's done right. And that is our process for cleaning a daily driver. Now she's fresh and ready for its next adventure. Hope you've liked this video. If you've got any questions about any of the products or processes that we've used in this video, feel free, drop us a comment below. Like, subscribe, we really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.